Welcome to 6231 Prospect Road, 38 acres in one of Boulder County's most sought-after locations. Just 15 minutes from downtown Boulder, yet worlds away from the hustle and traffic. This property is all about space, freedom, and lifestyle. Out here, every day feels like Colorado at its best. Cyclists fly past on county roads, and a nearby reservoir sparkles beneath Boulder's trademark mountain views. With tree-lined dirt roads, a charming white farmhouse, and limitless opportunity, 6231 Prospect Road offers more than a home. It offers a way of life, and it's waiting for you. On one side, a horse farm. On the other, water, trails, and vast land dotted with microfarms, grasslands, and parks, with the mountains just minutes away. From 6231 Prospect Road, you're minutes to the reservoir and Boulder's iconic mountain views. Come see it for yourself. 38 acres with space for your garden, farm, or retreat. Build the life you've been dreaming of. More than a home, it's a way of life. Contact us today to make it yours.